Manual mode. Ideal for sampling and testing. Select manual. Manually place the t-shirt in film. Click the button to rotate the station. Click heater 1 to start heat pressing. Click again to stop. Click the button to rotate the station. In peel setting, click test to peel the film. Visual positioning intelligent film tearing. Rotate the station. Click heater 2 for repressing. Click again to stop. Rotate the station. Remove the t-shirt. Semi-automatic mode. 4-pod custom orders. Select Auto plus Single Piece mode for automatic transfer of a single t-shirt. Place one t-shirt on the station. The machine will automatically place the film, press, peel, repress, and unload the finished garment. Fully automatic mode, for mass production. Place multiple t-shirts on the station. The machine will automatically handle film placement, heat pressing, peeling, repressing, and garment unloading. All processes fully automated to reduce manual work and improve production efficiency. X-PRESS 5.0 Heat Press Carousel Machine. 3 modes, endless possibilities.